Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat. Today we're replacing the stock exhaust on the Kawasaki Ninja 400 and putting on a cheap Amazon exhaust. So as you may be able to hear, we have the Ninja running right now. Before we even get into this, I wanted to do a few little revs with this, just so you can hear the stock exhaust, and then you'll be able to hear the aftermarket Amazon muffler afterwards. Alright guys, very first thing that we're doing is removing this Allen head screw just to be able to take the shield off. And the one other thing you got to remove to get that shield off is this clamp here, which you're going to use a Phillips screwdriver for. You're going to just loosen that clamp all the way up until it comes apart. And here you can see we've loosened it and it slips. There's a little spot on the stock muffler that shield slips up into. So you'll have to slip it down, and then once you have the clamp apart, you can pull it off of there. From there we moved up to this bolt that actually holds the muffler in place. And we removed the 12mm nut on the back side of that bolt. It is a 10mm on the outside of it. Okay, so I should point out we have the nut off of that top one right now, but that's kind of holding the muffler in place. She's loosening this with a 12mm. And we're gonna just remove it. We should be able to, if you can push that.
Push what? This?
The whole, yeah.
Oh, yep.
Then we should be able to
wiggle this off.
Wiggle it off.
Hell yeah. Oh.
Yep, it's going. Wow.
Whew.
Voila. Time to unbox the Amazon muffler. I can't read that. Ninja. Oh golly. A few different pieces. I believe that bad boy is probably gonna sit on here one way or the other.
Oh.
What's that? Oh, a couple springs.
Yeah.
Big old clamp, piston springs. They probably don't have any instructions, I'm guessing. Yeah. Here is the main part. Wow, look at that. Real carbon. Oh, just kidding.
If only.
Fake carbon fiber. Alright. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Now if you can slide it back. Boom.
That wasn't too hard.
So basically guys, we kind of mocked this up once already, and the muffler is going to sit like that on the bike, and this pipe, you know, you're going to have that curve coming out from the bike, so it's going to tilt the muffler in a little more. So that just slips on there. You got these two springs, then you got this clamp which we may need to loosen to slip on there. But besides that, we have this little bracket that's gonna slip over that, and it's gonna mount right where our stock one did. Okay, so it just took a little bit of force to get that on there, but that's on there. I think what we'll do is lightly tighten this a little bit, and then we'll get that other clamp on there.
It was a 12, right?
That side's a 12, this side's 10. So we are using our stock bolt here because this one's quite a bit shorter for whatever reason. What a badass exhaust. I just hope it sounds decent.
I just wanted something other than the stock.
I know you did.
And when you're tight on money, you do what you gotta do. Great advice.
Yeah. That's tight. We're gonna tighten up this little guy now with our 10.
Fire it up.
And then, yeah.
I gotta take a picture of it now.
Alright guys, so there's a quick little clip of it with the install. Obviously we'll have to ride it around a little bit, and hopefully we can record and get some clips actually going down the road. But it don't sound too bad right now. I like it. I mean, for 55 bucks, it ain't bad. So, of course, I will leave a link in the description for this same exhaust. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions or comments. And as always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.